Welcome back to my channel, guys, and for this video we're going to discuss how to keep the smoke outside of your home and how to filter the air inside your home using your existing furnace. So we're dealing with some significant fires across California and the West Coast, and this website from Air Now, I'll put a link in the description below, it uses peer sensors and government sensors throughout the state. The circles are the government and the squares are people's personal sensors. And it's given us a real-time look at the air quality that we're dealing with. And we're seeing some really high numbers here in the Bay Area recently. So lucky for us, the fires are not that close, but yet we are dealing with the repercussions of all of the smoke. And we have a newborn baby, so we were looking for ways to keep the smoke out and how to filter any smoke that was inside the house. Step 1, keep all the doors and windows closed, and if you feel any drafts, make sure that you plug up those drafts. And if you don't need to run the bathroom fans, that's even better because that extracts air outside the home and that air has to be replaced, so it'll just suck smoke through the cracks in the door. So you don't need to push air outside the house, you just want to leave it inside the house for now. Step 2 is most furnaces will have an auto or an on position, and that is for running the fan. We're not talking about the air conditioning compressor, but just the fan. And that's very important because right now we want to filter out all that air that's inside the house. So if you have a Nest thermostat, there's an easy option where you can click and say fan on and choose how many hours. And we'll run ours maybe 8 or 12 hours a day. Or if it gets worse, we can even run it 24 hours a day. If you don't have a smart thermostat, there'll still be an on or an auto switch, and you just want to cycle it to the on position, and that'll crank up the furnace fan, not just the air conditioning, but the fan, and that will just circulate air throughout the existing HVAC system. Now, this isn't something you want to do all the time, only during these high smoke days, because it's going to use extra electricity that you don't need to be using. I would estimate that our furnace fan draws 80 to 100 watts, and we have 2 furnaces, so we'll be using 200 watts of electricity just to circulate the air. And then anytime the house gets warm, the air conditioning will kick on still, so it doesn't affect your heater or air conditioning. This is just circulating the air. If we were to run our 2 furnaces 24 hours a day, you're looking at $1.35 or so in electrical cost. So we're not going to run it 24 hours a day. We have 2 of them, so it's pretty insignificant, the power cost just to run the fan during these high smoke periods. Next, you need to make sure that you have the proper air filter inside your furnace. You need something that has a MERV rating of at least 11, and they can go up to 13 as well, and those are excellent for removing the small particles of smoke. I'll put a link in the description below for the one that we use, and that might help you get started for the size for your house. So I'm really impressed after running our furnace fan for long periods of time. The air quality in our house feels much better from the smoky air outside. And I know people will be concerned about the wear and tear on the fans, but this is only for maybe a week or so. And I think having the fan start and stop maybe 10-15 times a day as it normally does is probably just as much, if not more, wear and tear than just leaving it on for an 8-hour stretch. Now, this video is primarily for people that have a forced air HVAC system already. If you don't, you can buy a cheap box fan for $20. And you can buy a filter at Home Depot for probably $15-20 and just duct tape that onto the fan and run your box fan just like this air conditioning system, and that will also filter the air. I looked into the air purifiers. There's many on Amazon for $160 and goes right up from there. And the issue there is they only process about 500 square feet. So they're good for a small room, but they won't really do a dent at all inside a house. Okay, thanks for watching today. I hope this helps some of the families dealing with the smoke here in California and Nevada. If you have any questions, don't forget to comment below. I'll do my best to answer all of those, and I'm sure you guys will help me out with how to make this even better. All right, until next time, we'll talk to you later.